Hey guys, what's going on? Me here on Minecraft, and today I will be showing you one amazing, fully automatic zombie mob grinder. So let's get into this video. Okay, so first of all, you can already see the zombies died from the sun and the mob grinder, which I do suggest that it's daytime with an open roof so it can take a little bit more damage from the sun. So here's how as you can see, there is a manual pilot which helps opening and closing with the mob grinder and the bait. We'll go more into creating this later on in the video. Now comes the part where we create this whole thing. Oops, forgot one thing. There we go. So now here is the grid where we will be using our these 2 blocks for the manual part. Now use the obsidian to create a 4 by 11 grid, as you can see right here, or 4 by 9 for this part. Then make it 3 blocks high. Then you need a 3 by 3 part, which over here, 1, 2, 3. Here you would put your oak planks and then obsidian on top. Next you just place a villager. Oh, the obsidian goes here. Okay. Next you make a 2 by 2 pit 3 blocks down. Next you want to carve out the places for the piston, the place, and the redstone. Please follow the instructions carefully or else you may screw up. Next you dig up one place over here and then create a beautiful 2 by 4 grid, which is 2 blocks high. And over here you put wooden planks so they don't escape. Next you need a wooden pressure plate and a bucket of water so the water doesn't escape. Next, all you need is a villager to run the thing. They may not activate the redstone signal at first, but they will later on. Next, you just place the 2 pistons like this, and then place your beautiful oak planks over here. And if your villager doesn't work, hit them a couple of times. That's how they get started. You may need to keep on hitting them. And if that doesn't work, suffocate them. Torture them or something. And if that doesn't work, oh, no, it didn't work. And if that doesn't work, oh, no. If that doesn't work, get a new villager and replacement of him. And if they don't work, that's the thing. You can't fully rely on a good, hard-working villager. Which, you guys are used to this guy. He is a hard... Oh, that's right. You always have to break this block to make it look like they can escape. Yeah. Make sure you do that. And be fools like me. Next, you place your zombie. And watch your trap at action. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you've loved this redstone creation I have created for you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button if you did. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys. Bye.